this video like a month or two ago, but stuff came up and I just wasn't able to record it. But I'm finally here to record this video. So, in today's project, let's put this up. We are going to, okay, well, in the last programming video, we worked with this little thing. It's kind of like an LED, and it just shows a number, and that's it. However, in this video, we are going to be working with this. It's an LCD display, and you can have it write like text or like all this other stuff. So we're going to be working with this. I did draw up a little schematic for me so I can remember like where I need to connect the pins. So I'm going to be kind of following this. So what we're going to be needing is, let me open this up. We're going to need our Arduino. We're going to need the LCD, obviously. We're going to need our breadboard. We're going to need, we're going to need wires. So I'm just going to go ahead and take out all the wires. Sorry if you can hear the background noise. If it gets a little bit louder, then I'll go ahead and pause the video. Finish it later. But yeah. Let's see. We need. We're gonna need a resistor. So I'm gonna be using, was it 300 ohm resistors? So you got that. And I believe the last thing we will need is something called a potentiometer. Might be pronouncing that wrong, but I believe that's how you say it, potentiometer, which is this little thing. And basically all it is just like a dial that you can just turn. So it's like a knob on your radio where you can like higher and lower the volume. You just twist it. And that's basically all it is. It's just a little knob dial thing. So we're going to need one of these as well. So we'll take that out. And I believe that is it. Oops, sorry. Hold on a minute. Oh, okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Alright, so I believe we got everything that we need from here. So we can go ahead, close this up, and go ahead and put this box away. So let me get this out of here. Okay, there we go. So let me go ahead and bring all this stuff into view. Alright. So what we're gonna do is first we're gonna connect. Oops, is my camera glitching? Okay. We're gonna go ahead and connect the potentiometer onto here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just snap it, just I guess over here out in the corner. Just doesn't matter. Alright. There we go. So that's in. Now let's go ahead and connect the LCD onto our breadboard. So as you can see, it has all these pins up here at the top, and I think those are the only pins. Yeah. Okay. So let's go ahead and just snap this onto breadboard. There we go, like so. And so now let's take a look at the schematics. goes to pin 2 on the Arduino, then another ground pin, and then pin 3 on the Arduino, and then we are skipping 1, 2, 3, 4 pins. We're just skipping the middle ones. And then we connect to pin 5 or to pin 4, then to pin 5, then to pin 6, then to pin 7. And then this pin we are going to connect to the 5 volts but through a resistor. And then finally this last pin goes to ground. Now as far as the potentiometer goes, this bottom one goes to pin 3. And then these top ones go to the 5 volt power and then ground. Now, the Arduino that I have does have limited, I think it only has maybe like 2 or 3 ground pins. So I think I could, oh no, yeah, we're going to be using too many ground pins and we do not have enough on the Arduino itself. So what we're going to do is on the breadboard, we're going to activate these rails. And you do that just by connecting it to the Arduino, to the ground and the 5 volt power. And that will activate these ground pins, or these ground rails, or these rails up here. And then we can just connect these pins up to here on the breadboard. Background noise is getting a little loud, so I'm going to go ahead and just pause the video right here. And I'll resume recording once things kind of die down a little bit. So, see you in a bit. Okay, I'm back. I just went ahead and I ended up wiring up the whole thing. So, again, I just followed these schematics. And I have, let's see, a ground pin and just one 5 volt pin coming into the top of the rails here, and that activates all these other ones, so that I'm able to just kind of piggyback off of these and use the ground and 5 volt pins as necessary. So we got the LCD screen right here, the potentiometer wired up here, and then a whole mess of wires that are just kind of going into the 5 volt and ground rails, and also the Arduino. So again, like I said, just following these schematics and plugging in everything. I do have one resistor right here, and one end is just going to one of the pins on the LCD, and the other is going to the 5 volt pin, or like the 5 volt rail up here. So that's how I have the LCD wired, or the resistor wired up. So now that we have all this wiring kind of set up, let's go ahead and switch over to my screen right here, and let's actually code this. Let's see, can I zoom in? There we go. Let's go ahead and put these up here. They're down there. Okay, so in order to use the LCD screen, you need You need the LCD library. So we are going to do number include liquid crystal.h. And what this does is it requests the liquid crystal library. Now the library is kind of, I guess, like a toolbox. It has all these different tools and like functions that you can use. And so if you use like a specific screwdriver or something, well, in order to use that screwdriver, you need access to the toolbox that that screwdriver is in. And there's all these different toolboxes with all these different tools in. You know, maybe there's like a toolbox for screwdrivers, a toolbox for hammers, a toolbox for wrenches. Well, it's the same thing here. There's all these different libraries, and if you need to use like a specific function or something, then you need access to that library or that toolbox. So we need some functions and stuff from the liquid crystal library. So here we are just basically asking for access to that library, to that toolbox. So hope you kind of understood that a little bit. Alright, so now we need our variables. So do rs, that is on pin 2. Space that out. Okay. Enable, that is on pin 3. Pin 4 on the Arduino. Oops, it's just pin 4. Okay. Just go ahead and copy these bits. That's 5, 6, and 7. So just go ahead and change 6, 5, 5, 6, 7. Alright, and then I'm gonna need hints for some downtime. And oops, we'll make that 1 second. Alright, and now we need liquid crystal. This is where we are basically, I guess, creating access for the liquid crystal. And pin 4, pin 5, pin 6, pin 7. And now we will be using this LCD variable to kind of program the LCD screen. Alright. We need LCD.begin. Is it 16? 2. Alright, start up the LCD screen. So now here on the main loop, we want to set the cursor to the beginning position, which is 0, 0. Right, so we're setting the cursor at the beginning, and now we can do lcd.print, and this will write whatever we put in here onto the LCD screen. So let's just put hello there. Right. Alright, let's go ahead. Compile it. Yeah, it compiled. No errors. So let's switch over to my camera. Let's see if I can move this over a bit. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my Arduino. And then we will run we will upload this program. And sorry if you heard that. And if everything is correct, you'll see hello written on the screen. Oh. And my camera froze. Hold on a minute. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, let's go ahead and hit upload, and hopefully you should see hello written on the screen. Do you not? Okay, it's not working. It's just, oh, one of the cables came off. I think that's to the 5-volt. Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and reset. Oh, and there we go. It says hello there. And then if you turn the potentiometer, you can kind of change the contrast. So you can kind of see as I'm turning it, the text kind of disappears. Yep, there you go. There is one thing I want to add real quick to it. Hold on. It's gonna be a surprise, so please just be patient for a couple seconds. Okay, let me upload that and let's see if that works. Yeah. Go ahead and reset it. Oh. Hello there, General Kenobi. And as you can see, yeah. Oh wait, no. Yeah. You reset it. Yeah, General Kenobi pops up. Let's see, it's not doing, yeah. Let me add that real quick. Let me edit it up a bit. So now let's see, the screen's kind of, oops. Is it going? Compiling. Done uploading. Yeah. Man, this thing is really finicky. When I just move it a little bit, the screen like starts glitching up like that. And then you just need to reset it. It says hello there, General Kenobi. Wait a couple seconds and then it disappears. And it pops up again. Hello there, General Kenobi. Disappears. Pops up again. There you go. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the code that I added to do that. Yeah, so basically I went ahead and right here, that's when it does the hello there at the beginning, and then it delays it for about a second, and then right here you're setting the cursor to the next line, to the beginning of the next line. So bottom of hello there, and then it prints General Kenobi, and then it waits for 2 seconds. So right here, the D time is 1 second, and then we just times it by 2. So instead of 1 second, it's 2 seconds. And then it clears everything that's written on there. This LCD.clear, that just erases everything that's written on the LCD screen. And then again, we delay it for 2 seconds. And then it loops back around up here and reprints hello there, General Kenobi. And just keeps going on and on, just looping. Just keeps writing that over and over and over and over and over and over again. Okay. Let's see. Yep, is it still? And it glitched up again. Yeah, I don't know if there's something wrong with the wires or what. There it goes. But it's very finicky, and when you just move it, it just starts glitching up the text. But yeah, as you can see, it's just looping over and over again. It says hello there, waits a second, General Kenobi, waits 2 seconds, clears it, waits 2 seconds, and then it just loops over and over and over and over again. Well, there you have it. Just a little something. Yeah, this will probably be the last Arduino programming video that I do. I'm not too sure, but for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.